Today, I am doing another scrunchie review, or should I say sprunchie review. Have you ever heard of a scrunchie? If not, stay tuned and I will tell you more about it. See you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to OMG & Co, also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. For those of you that are new, welcome to the club. I am Lamiel, the scrunchie creator, the jewelry maker, everything accessory maker, I guess you could say. So let's jump into this video. I'm going to try to keep it quick because I'm a little under the weather. It is pollen season here in Georgia and my sinuses, allergies, everything's acting up. So I have like a little deep raspy voice today. I can sing some Barry White, but let's keep going. That sounded really country. Okay, so before we get into this video, I think I said that already, but I will keep going. Let's talk about my OMG & Co look. So I think I'm going to break this down like this. When I'm talking about scrunchies, I'll say OMG Scrunchie Club, but when I'm talking about other things, the OMG Co look. So you can still use either domain name omgco.com or omgscrunchieclub.com and you'll still get to the same website. But back to these earrings. Look, if you want to get these, they're on the website right now. The link is in the description box. These are some light denim earrings. They weigh less than an ounce as well. So as I stated in my last video, I try to weigh my earrings so that your earlobes aren't hanging down to the ground, but some people like that. But if that's what you like, go for it. Also, my friend over here, she's wearing a pair of fringe fabric earrings as well. She's wearing peach ribbed earrings, so they have like a rib texture to them. So let's get into this scrunchie. So I was going through Amazon trying to find some scrunchies to review. I have another item that I'm going to review later, maybe next week. So I came across this listing for some scrunchies. So I was like, what the heck is a scrunchie? I got the package Sunday. Today is Wednesday. I'm shooting this video for tomorrow, Thursday, which is the 31st, I believe. And so, excuse me. So when I saw the picture, I was like, oh, it's 2 scrunchies. I can buy 2 scrunchies. So for this video, I know I'm kind of like tiptoeing around showing you this scrunchie. I'm going to talk about the price point, the packaging / branding, the quality of the material, as well as would I buy it again. So let's get started. So the scrunchies cost, the Sprunchies, S-P-R-U-N-C-H-I-E. The Sprunchies were 2 for $13. So on this Amazon picture, I didn't read the description to see what size these Sprunchies were. I am just assuming they would be at least average size Sprunchies. So let me read the listing to you. So, invisibobble Sprunchie spiral hair ring, Disney Princess Ariel, 2-pack Sprunchie stylish bracelet, strong elastic grip coil, accessories for women, gentle for kids, gentle for girls, teens, and thick hair. Okay, so I am going to show you this package. I did not open the package. I opened the Amazon envelope, but the Sprunchies are still in the box. So I got the Ariel Sprunchie set. I think there were like 3 Disney princesses. And I'm going to post the picture right here of the Amazon listing. I have new editing software, so hopefully I can fit it over there. Let me move out of the way just in case it's too big. So, you guys, I like to be honest. This is what I got. 2 Sprunchies for $13. Okay, let me just show you my OMG Scrunchie Club mini scrunchie. Compared to the box, not even the scrunchie, but the box that their 2 scrunchies are in. Okay, look at this. You can't even see, my southern accent is coming out now. You can't even see the scrunchie box, let alone the Sprunchies behind my scrunchie. Scrunchie. Okay, but anywho, let's get into it. So let's talk about the branding, the packaging, or the package. It's Disney. The package looks very nice. It's cute. Has the Disney Princess Ariel, the Little Mermaid on it. Let's see if I move this light here. Excuse me. And it has some information on the back of the package. So here, these little coils, these spiral coils are what's on the inside. Not these exact ones, but these spiral coils are what's on the inside of the Sprunchie instead of elastic. So maybe I'll do a video on using one of these spirals to make a scrunchie and see how it holds. So let me know if you want me to try to do a video with a spiral to make a Sprunchie for OMG Scrunchie Club. Okay, so drum roll. Brrr, bum, 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 bum. So for the packaging, I give them an A+. For that big zoomed in Amazon picture, I give them an F for false advertisement. Just kidding. I need to check the description to see if it says what size it was, but packaging is nice. Then it has a little hole here if you want to fill the scrunchie. So let's get this Sprunchie out of the box. Or these Sprunchies, I'm so sorry. I need to be plural. Ooh. Guys, these are almost the size, let's see, of my Scrunchie earrings. I don't have a pair over here, but I wouldn't even put this in my head. This is like a ring. If you like a thing, should have put a ring on it. Oh, oh, oh. All right, I can wear some rings, some Scrunchie rings if I wanted to start a new trend here. But yeah, let's get into it. As far as the material, the satin does not feel like a nice, thick, expensive satin or a nice satin. For example, my friend Tina, shout out to Tina, and myself, if you were to feel this satin compared to our satin, you would be like, come on, Disney, $13, really? But hey, when you're Disney, you can charge whatever price you want, and because kids love Disney and Disney princesses, they're going to convince their parents to purchase this mermaid Sprunchie set. Now, I have an issue with this. So it's advertised as the Little Mermaid, but if you were to see someone outside with this on, you wouldn't know anywhere on this thing that this is supposed to be Ariel, other than maybe this Little Mermaid scale. I think Disney missed out on an opportunity to put Ariel on the scrunchie. Of course she's on the box, but it's an Ariel scrunchie. Why not make Ariel the scrunchie? So I don't even think this was one of the things I was supposed to be reviewing, but looking at these, I'm like, So quality of material, I would give it a C+. It's not like horrible, but it's not great either. So I would give it a C+. The spiral on the inside is pretty cool. Let's see, as far as the stretch, it stretches about this much. Trying to see if it's going to go back to shape. So it goes back to shape. They have a tag on it as well. So here is the tag. So it says invisibobble on that side and Disney. And then on the other side, it has the Disney logo. So packaging, you get an A. I think this box is really cute. But I think, well, I can't say I think. Since it is Disney, they can afford a box like this, but I wouldn't personally buy a box like this because it's just going to go in the trash. I wouldn't personally, not buy a box, but use it for my business because this box would go in the trash unless, I mean, some of you may keep your things in the boxes and put them back every time, but they're not like a pair of shoes where you put them back in the box. Excuse me. So, packaging A, quality material C+. Price, I said $13 for 2 scrunchies. I am offended. Yes, offended that I'm laughing. No one forced me to buy these scrunchies. So, of course you can already guess my answer. Would I buy these again? Absolutely not. Would I turn these into earrings? Absolutely yes. But the only reason I will not turn them into earrings is because it has the Disney logo on it. But I can buy this same material from my local craft store, as well as this, and I can say, hey, get your mermaid scrunchie set from OMG Scrunchie Club. And I wouldn't be infringing on a trademark because mermaid is just a general name. Disney does not own the name mermaid, but they do own Ariel. So that's a little smart tip for you. If you ever want to copy a brand that is trademarked, as far as Disney, say you are inspired by one of the princesses and you want to do like a princess name, because some of my scrunchies are actually named after princesses. For example, I have Belle, which is a yellow scrunchie, which I took that name from Belle from Beauty and the Beast. But I didn't say Princess Belle or Disney Princess Belle. I just called it Belle. But you can always use like a common noun. I'm doing this with my kids in homeschool. So you can always use a common noun. The problem will come in if you try to use a proper noun that is trademarked. So this Sprunchie, unfortunately, is going back to Amazon. So Amazon, if you're watching this video, tell Disney, keep the Scrunchie. The Sprunchie. You know what? As a matter of fact, I think I should be double paid for buying this. I need to be paid $13 for each of these scrunchies because this was like, no, but I'm just kidding. So, as far as this, I think it's really cute for little girls, maybe like toddlers or 6 and under. I would like give this to my niece. And she can wear them in her hair or on her wrist because they're little kids. They don't need like scrunchies that are really big. But, I just wanted to share this Sprunchie with you. And if you think I should do a Sprunchie tutorial with one of these, some of these bridles, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this video. My voice is going out. And thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next video. Oh, excuse me. I didn't say oh to cough. But I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. So I'm trying to think of something cool to do for 1,000 subscribers. I was thinking of maybe giving someone a yard of fabric, like go to my favorite fabric store, since it's local, and buy a yard of cool fabric there. Maybe I'll get like a chiffon or organza or something that I don't have, but buy it for you and give a yard of fabric away. That way, if you want to start a scrunchie business or make some earrings or make anything with a cool yard of fabric that you possibly can't get in your state, that would be ideal. And then maybe when I get to 2,000, I would do fabric and some elastic. I don't know. I just want to help other people build their scrunchie brand or just help in general. So leave a comment as to what you think I should do for 1,000 subscribers, because I am so close. Hopefully by the end of this week or next week, I will be there. And I know I said I was going to keep this video short, but I'm already at like almost 13 minutes. But thanks again for watching and subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help make my voice come back and make me feel better. But thanks so much and have a great day. See you next time. Don't forget to get your scrunchies and accessories from OMGScrunchieclub.com and OMGandco.com. See you next time. Bye-bye.